Hello, this is Manoj Sethi, Candour Water Solutions RS Enterprises. Here we are showing you our production. This is 20 inches round filter, 5 micron we are making. We are making in 9 inches, 10 inches, 20 inches, 30, 40, 2.5 inch dia, 4.5 inch dia, 4 inch dia. This is, we are showing you the production. This is 4.5 inch diameter, absolutely 5 micron filter. Very useful for RO plants, softener plants, and very useful for all types of industries for water purification. This is we are showing you, we have in 40 inches also, 30 inches also, and this is again a production. We are showing you, yeah, you can see the production, the quality of our packing standards. You can see this is, you can see 4 inch dia. Yeah, this is 2.5 inch dia. The same way we have in 30 inches and 40 inches also. We have in 10 inches also, 9 inches MLT filter also we are making. You can see the production. We have in 1 micron also, 5 micron also, 10 micron also. We have different weaving patterns, and this is the production unit we are showing you. Again, this is your friend Manoj Sethi. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much. Goodbye.